Celia Bautista Alcanzado, 37 years old, bukas.
My name is Redon Marcos Talas and I'm 35.
My name is Wilfredo Cibulino. I'm 68 years old. It has been 20 years, almost 20 years.
Bali kami yung naggagama sa mga halaman at saka kami rin yung naglilinis nitong AM. Kasama rin kami sa pag-a-assist ng mga bisita dito.
Sometimes we are being trained by the Costales Farm and introduce their organic procedure. Then after introducing the organic procedure, we proceed to the basic planting of an organic.
Most of our commodities are what we call perishable goods, meaning the shelf life of our commodities are not too long. So the timing of harvesting, sorting, packaging, and delivery has to be well coordinated so that our goods or our vegetables will reach Metro Manila with still fresh quality.
Okay naman, nakaka-survive kasi yung mga gantong panahon ay walang trabaho dito sa labas. Pero dito, araw-araw meron kami trabaho.
They are very hard working, very passionate, very diligent as well, very loyal because there are a lot of opportunities outside of the farm, but they choose to work here with us.
In my opinion, planting organic is a very good vision to introduce in the Philippines.
Well, not particularly about the farm because we're not to brag, but we're a little bit well known. So what I wish people knew more about is growing and caring for their own food. Because a lot of people, especially in restaurants, when I see unfinished plates, I get a little bit pissed off. Because you know how hard it is to produce food, and you're going to leave food at the table, specifically rice. You can't order more than what you can consume, and a lot of people don't know that, and I really hate it when people waste food, in my case, knowing how hard it is to grow food. So I wish a lot more people knew how to grow food so that they will not waste.